In this video, I'm going to show you a complete strategy of how you can use an AI tool that is going to create literally everything you want. But the most important thing is that you can not only use this for fun, but to create a real sustainable business that you can grow and you can scale. I'm not talking about affiliate marketing. I'm not talking about drop shipping. No, this is something different. This is cool. And actually, you're going to enjoy this. You're going to have fun with this and you're going to be earning money. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently with real ways to make money online. So guys, let me show you everything step by step of how you can have fun using an AI tool, actually doing a couple of clicks and earn money with this. Let me show you everything. Let's go to my computer. Okay. The very first tool that we're going to be using, it's this one. It's called Midjourney. So you're going to go to midjourney.com. You are going to be joining. It's free to join. And after you already register, you are going to have the opportunity to be part of their ecosystem. Okay. So here is it. You're going to see that we have a lot of people who are actually creating really cool stuff here. In my case, I asked the AI tool to create a modern superhero. Okay. But there are other people who are creating other things as well. Okay. But something really important, guys, this is unique content. Okay. This is unique content. How does this work? Where you're going to click here on the plus sign. You're going to click here where it says use apps. Then you're going to go here where it says meet your unique bot. And you're going to click here where it says imagine. Okay. Imagine prompt. That's the code. And then you're going to describe. Okay. You're going to describe. Let's say that I would like to have a Chihuahua. And I don't know, a schnauzer superhero. Okay. So I'm going to click enter. And now the bot is going to be doing its magic. Okay. The bot is going to be doing its magic. If you want to have a private room, okay, you will need to upgrade. What do I mean by a private room? I mean a room so you are not going to be looking to all of these images and people are not going to be looking for your images as well. But how do you know, like, hey, the bot is answering to you? Well, whenever you get a chance, it's going to be here highlighted. Okay. It's going to be here highlighted in yellow. And that's how you know, like, okay, the bot is actually requesting or doing actually my commands. Okay. So here it says like it is actually doing his thing. Okay. So where is it? Okay. Okay. Here is it. Man, they look really, really amazing. Okay. Remember that this is unique. Okay. So here I have my Chihuahua and I have a Schnauzer superhero. Here I have, okay. So now what can I do? Here you can see some variables like U1, U2, U3. Okay, so this means that this is version 1, version 2, version 3, and the quality. Okay, so you can download the one that you like. In my case, I'm going to go with the highest resolution. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one, which is version 2. Okay, here is if you want to see how it actually looks. Okay, so I'm going to go with the highest resolution and please download um, the second version. Okay. This is the one that I'm going to be downloading. Okay. Here it's doing the job. In this case, it's upscaling the image that I request. Okay. Remember, always go with the yellow one. But remember that if you don't want to have, all this information everywhere and you don't want people to be checking on what you're doing, you can upgrade and you can have a private room. It is mandatory. No, it's actually not mandatory to do that, but it's just an option. Okay. Okay, so here's the result. It takes some time, so you need to be patient. But here is the result. Here's the image. I can click on this image, and actually, if I click where it says open a browser, you're going to see that this is high quality image. So I can save it. Okay. And I'm going to leave it as it is right now. Now, what I need to do? Well, we need to remove the background. Okay. We're going to be removing the background. And in order to do that, we're going to be using another tool, which is called removal.ai. Here on removal.ai, what we can do is that we can drag and drop our image, and the system is going to be removing the background. So I'm going to have just, in my case, the characters. Okay. I'm going to show you why do you need to remove the background in a moment and why this is actually really, really helpful. So I'm going to wait a second or two. So here is it. Here we have the actual tool who is actually removing the background. So I'm going to have the original version, which have the background, and I'm going to have a newest version without the background. The thing is that we need to have the image without the background. And I'm going to show you why we are going to be doing this in a moment or two. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions so far, leave it in the comment area. Also, guys, please let me know where you're from. Let me know what's your favorite payment method, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is actually available in your area and is actually, you know, with the payment method that you want. Okay. But now let me go back to the video. Okay, here we have actually the result. We're going to have the image here. So right now we have two versions. We have the version with the background and we have a version with without the background. You're going to be downloading it. Okay. If you don't want to create an account, you can download it. If you want to create an account so you can have the highest quality, you will need to create an account. So now we're going to go to canva.com so we can actually customize this. Here, Canva is an actual free tool. So we can put some phrases if we want, okay? This step is optional, but you can have some really catchy phrases. For example, let me upload my image here like super fast. Okay, this is the image here. Okay, and actually we have different kind of text with different effects, okay, with different effects. So here I have the image. I can resize it. Okay, I can resize it. I can put it here, and let's say that I would like to add some kind of text. So I have here some. Okay, I can put it here. I can. Oh, this one it's pro, but I can use this other, which is actually free. Okay, so I can put here something like whoa. Okay, now that I'm ready, I'm gonna click here where it says share, and I can actually download the image. Okay, I'm gonna be here as PNG. I'm gonna save it. Cool, the system is gonna be saving me. But now I have the image. Fantastic. Okay, you show me, Diana, you show me, you know, all this cool stuff, but I'm not getting it. Okay, I'm not getting it. How I'm gonna be earning money with this? Where there is this website that it's called Redbubble. You can create a free store on redbubble.com and you can actually sell your design. Okay, with a couple of clicks, you can create your account. Okay, and now what we need to do is that we actually need to add a new work. Okay, a new work is literally a new design. So I'm going to upload the new work. Okay, it's going to be this one, and I can put this on a t-shirt. I can put it on a hoodie. I can put it on different products. Okay, and people are going to be purchasing it. Okay, people are going to be purchasing it. If I don't want to have a hat, okay, I can disable it. So my product is not going to be on the cat Okay, but maybe it's gonna be here just on the cloth. You can customize it. Maybe, hey, it's actually too small. I want to make it actually bigger. I want to add other things. I want also to be able to change the color. Maybe I don't want to have the white version. I want to go with the gray version. Okay. Maybe I don't want it to be printed on the front, but I just want it to be printed on the back. Okay. So here are several product sets, even stickers. And by the way, guys, this is like a pro tip. You can only make a cool income if you decide to go just with stickers and with phone cases. People love these products. Okay, so this is actually a really interesting way in which you can actually earn money just with a couple of clicks. And there are other sites besides Redbubble. You can go, for example, with Teespring, Cafe Press, Zazzle, and you can upload the same design over and over and over. So you're going to have several stores who are going to be selling your product. Okay, guys. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.